How to change email address in Twitter or X account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Once you're in this page, navigate to this option, your account. Click on the option account information. Now here you're going to find all the details about your account. Navigate to the option email. Now you'll need to type in your password. After you type in, click on next. Now type in the new email address that you want to set for your account. After you type in the email address, click on next. Now you'll be getting verification code in the new email address that we have just entered. Check and type in the code over here. Now click on verify. Once you verify your new email address will be updated on Twitter or X account. So this is how you can easily change email address in Twitter or X account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.